Nice to meet you guys. 만나서 반갑습니다. This is Free Korean channel. Today marks the 5th session on Korean consonants and vowels. We're gonna focus on vowels with the OU sound edit. Before watching the video, it's recommended to download the textbook through the link in the YouTube description. In the last session, we learned about aspirated consonant and double consonant. Do you remember? In this session, we're gonna concentrate on producing and writing vowels with the OU sound edit. Today's goals: first, read and write 7 vowels with edit OU sound. Second, combines consonants and vowels to write characters accurately. Third, read and write words containing vowels with edit OU sound. The purpose of the video is to help you achieve the learning objectives. Today's contents. The video will progress according to the provided table. Then let's go into today's topic. We all learned the 8 basic vowels in previous video. Today we'll explore vowels formed by combining 2 basic vowels in the way of writing and pronunciation. Let's go through them one by one. Wa consists of O and A, pronounced by quickly mixing the sounds of O and A, like this: O, A, Wa, Wa. We also consists of O and E, pronounced quickly as We. Other vowel combination follows a similar pattern: U, O, Wo, U, E, We, U, I, We, I, I, like this. However, We is an exception. Even though We consists of O and E, it is pronounced by combining O and E, like this: O, E, We, which has the same pronunciation with We. Then let's deal with details on the pronunciation of the vowel with OU sound. I'll read slowly one by one. O-A, Wa, Wa, Wow. Wa sound is similar to W-O in wow. Next, O-E, We, We, welcome. O-E, We, We, west. U-O, Wo, Wo, War. U-E, We, We, where. U-I, We, We, which. U-I, I. Do you feel the difference between we and we by any chance? As I said before, there's no distinction. Most modern Koreans pronounce them the same way. Then what about the difference between we and we sounds? In fact, these two sounds are very similar. However, if I must pinpoint a difference, we starts from the O sound like O-E, We, while We sound starts from the U sound like U-E, We. To make a comparison in English, We is close to the We in West, Web, well, and the We sound is close to the We such as where, when, whale. Lastly, let's deal with the I sound. Since English doesn't have the I sound, we need to create it. First, I is a combination of and I, pronounced as I, I. Do you remember how to produce the sound? First, make a G sound and sustain it without interruption, like G. Then widen your lips side to side like G. G. This is the sound. Then to accurately produce the sound, start with Then press your tongue toward the lower front teeth, end it with the E sound. This process should be done quickly, like this. E, 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 E. The E sound have far more to explain, so it will be covered separately in the next video. Please refer to the upcoming video. Now let's move on to the next topic. We are looking at how to write the vowels we learned today. When writing these vowels, the left element should be written first. I'll say each one. If you have writing tools, try writing along with me. Let's start. O, A, wa. O, E, we. O, I, we. U, O, wo. U, E, we. U, I, we. I, I. Well done. And now let's practice. Initially, we will write the vowels we learned today without consonants. I will read them first, and I encourage you to pause the video and fill in the blanks. Remember, you can find the materials in the description below. Let's begin. 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, 의. Next, we will combine the vowels with the iung. In Korean, vowels must be used with the consonant iung when used alone. This is because iung is the only consonant without a sound. Pause the video and fill in the blanks. 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, 의. For the third exercise, let's practice combining various consonants with the vowels we learned today. The letters in the grayed out cells are rarely used by Koreans, but try writing them for practice. Let's do it. Finally, well done. Now let's look at today's words. I have prepared 8 basic words including the vowels with OU sound. Read and write along with me. First, 사과, 사과, apple. 돼지, 돼지, pig. 과자, 과자, snack or cookie or chips are included in 과자. 가위, 가위, scissors. 무늬, 무늬, pattern. 귀, 귀, ear. 더워요, 더워요, it's hot. 추워요, 추워요, it's cold. Okay, for the final assignment, it's dictation. Listen to the words I say and write them down, please. Number 1, 사과, 사과. Number 2, 가위, 가위. Number 3. 무니. Number 4. 귀. Number 5. 추워요. Number 6. 과자. Number 7. 돼지. Number 8. 더워요. Now let's find the answers. Number 1. 사과. Number 2. 가위. Number 3. 무늬. Number 4. 귀. Number 5. 추워요. Number 6. 과자. Number 7. 돼지. Number 8. 더워요. Okay, good job. Okay, today's contents are all covered. Well done. Since the vowels we learned today have challenging pronunciation, it would be good for you to study gradually over time. Thank you for your hard work in watching and studying the video. Have you achieved today's learning goals? In the next session, a topic related to 의 is prepared. Thanks for watching today and see you next time. 안녕.